This is Charles McMahon for Expert Village. Now we're going to drill out the holes that we need to have to put the new spindles in. Now, I want to use a regular drill bit, and we don't have anything above 3/8 of an inch, and the dowel is 7/16. So we're going to drill. We want the dowel to fit snugly, so we're going to drill the 3/8 inch hole, and then we'll sand off a little bit on the end of the dowel so that it fits. Okay, so we have here a cordless drill, and we're going to try to drill this at about the right angle and right through the center of this old dowel here. If it's off a little bit, it doesn't matter because the dowel can bend a little bit. We don't want to go all the way through, but we want a fairly deep hole. Okay, that ought to do it for that one. Let's try one here. Okay, so now we have the holes drilled for the dowel, and we'll go on to the next step.